Alright, I'm going to make a short video on how to create the stack. I am going to create a line straight down here through the center. That's 1.75. And then I'm going to draw the side profile here without the hole, and then I'll revolve it. I'll add all my dimensions and then revolve it. So let me switch over to Onshape. I'll just do this in the front view. And I'm going to do a line. And I'm just going to draw it. And it's 1.75 tall. And I'll stop right there. And so see, that's this height right here. And now I'm going to draw this profile, and I'll come back and I'll dimension everything. So go back to line, come over here, draw it out, draw it up, draw an angle, draw another angle, and connect it. Alright, obviously you can see I have some issues here. I'm going to draw another line straight up here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make that horizontal. So now those are level. I see in my drawing here that they say this has a 15-degree angle. So I'm going to go ahead and add in that angle real quick. So from here to here. I'll zoom in so you can kind of see what I'm doing there. And that's 15 degrees. There we go. And now I got to add dimensions. So this bottom one has a diameter of 0.5, so I'm half that. And then it goes up 0.25. Alright, so this right here, so let's go to dimensions. This right here is 0.5 divided by 2, which is 0.25. This right here is 0.25. And then this height to this point right here is 1.5. So from here to here is 1.5. There we go. Alrighty, so I think I got all my dimensions. 175, 1525, a half. Oh, diameter 125 at this circle right there. 125. Alrighty, so from here to here. Alright, this dimension right here should be 1.25 divided by 2. So that's the diameter, and a radius. Alright, so now let's see. So I got this diameter, I got this diameter, I got that angle. Alright, I think I got everything. And so I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to revolve this about this, and then check it. There we go. I don't need any of these guys anymore, so I'm going to get rid of those so I don't see them. Create a new sketch on this top plane, and I'm going to use this top circle. What that does is give me a point. I'm done with that sketch. Now I'm going to use a hole feature. I'm going to select that guy right there. And if I look at this, this is a counterbore, so it's 375 for the small hole, and it goes a depth of 1.5. 0.875 for the large hole, and it goes 0.375. So in Onshape, you can see I've already selected it. Normally it's on simple. We want a counterbore. It's blind because we're doing it to certain depths. So the small hole, and I'll tilt it up, that's this guy here, is 0.375. The large hole is 0.875. The depth of the large hole is 375. And then the overall depth of the entire hole is 1.5. That's from the top all the way down to the bottom. And that's what I want. And so I'll recheck it. Now the only thing this does, which is a little different from the others, is we do have a pointed here at the bottom, whereas here in the diagram you see it's flat. I'm okay with that because on the Onshape I have not figured out a way to make it a flat tip and not a pointed tip. So we're just going to leave it. That's all good. And go back to my isometric view. Oh, let's get a shaded view. That's what I wanted. There we go. That's it. So you're done with this. So, of course, you'd want to come over here and rename this to be stack. And then obviously I would need to rename my Part Studio down here. Rename it stack. And then I'd put it into my drawing sheets. Now, you can see I got a lot of junk down here. This is my practice stuff. So this isn't my real thing. But now you have an example.